In this video, we are going to learn about the composite panels in GraphWorx 64 and how to add a scroll panel to your display. Panels are containers, similar to group, with automatic layouts of the contained object to help user arrange the object, and you can find them on Home ribbon under Shape section. In this video, we'll specifically look into the scroll panel. More information of other simple panels can be found in the video, adding wrapping and stackable panels to a display. Scroll panel is a handy tool to use if you need to create a GraphWorx 64 display but don't have the real estate for the entire display in runtime. We will start with creating a scroll panel and dragging the cursor to create a rectangle of the size that you wish the scrollable area to be on the workspace. To add object to the display, first, go to the Object Explorer and click the Inner Canvas object, for all objects can only be added under the canvas. Add a simple shape. Notice if we expand the width of the rectangle to exceed the scroll viewer, yet within the canvas, you can move the scroll bar to see the shape, whereas when the shape exceeds the canvas region, it will not be available to be seen anymore. The canvas area has a default width and height of 800 and 600 pixels, and you can change the width and height properties for the canvas as well as the scroll viewer under the Properties tab. If you go to Advanced Application mode, there will appear more properties. The horizontal scroll bar visibility and vertical scroll bar visibility property allow you to hide, show, or disable the scroll bar in runtime. In auto setting, the scroll bars will only appear if they are needed to view the whole canvas, so that if certain contents run out of the border of the viewer, it can still be seen. Visible setting will show the scroll bars despite of the situation. If set to be hidden, the scroll bars will disappear, but users can still use the mouse to scroll and view the contents in runtime, while if the scroll bars are disabled, the screen will remain fixed. Instead of canvas, the child object of scroll viewer can also be a grid or another panel. Create a new scroll panel next to the previous one, and in the Object Explorer, select and delete the canvas. Then you can go ahead and add another panel of your choice to the viewer. I will choose Grid Panel. You will see that the default 3x3 grid panel, and you should be able to add object within the grid. The row and column property can be changed under Properties tab. And you can also change the size of the grid by simply dragging the section's divider. Besides Grid Panel, you can also add Stack Panel or Wrap Panel inside of the scroll viewer. GraphWorx 64 provides the option of Scroll Stack Panel and other predefined scrollable panels under here.